Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saroj Parajuli and today we are going to talk about plant cell and different component of plant cell. This is a diagram of plant cell, and plant cell is present in multicellular organism or in eukaryotic cell. Plant cell is usually hexagonal or rectangular in shape, and the shape and structure of the plant cell is provided by this vacuole, which is filled with water and minerals, and also by the cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall is usually thick and it is made up of hemicellulose, cellulose and lignin. That's why cell wall gives overall structure to the cell. Cell membrane are semi-permeable membrane that are present within the cell wall. So this inner membrane is called cell membrane, and it is semi-permeable in nature, and it allows the nutrient to pass through the membrane while it protects the cell from different type of toxins. Other different important organelles of plant cell are chloroplast, that gives the green color to the plant, and mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell, and nucleus. Nucleus has this nucleolus and the chromosomes, and it provides the genetic information or genetic material to the cell. And this big structure is vacuole. It occupies at least half or more than half of the total plant cell, and it has all those water and minerals in the cell. And other smaller cell organelles are Golgi bodies, and Golgi bodies has these secretory vesicles, and the nucleus has both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And also we have amyloplast, and ribosomes are also present in the cell, and plasmatasmata are the connection between the two cells, and cytoplasm, and then within the vacuole we have tonoplast, and also another cell organelle is peroxisome. So there are many other small cell organelles that function within the cell. So we'll talk only few of the organelles in detail, like chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus and vacuole. This is the structure of nucleus, and nucleus contains nucleolus, chromatin fiber, outer nuclear membrane, inner nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, nucleoplasm and chromosomes. So it has the two layer, and it is a membrane bound organelle. So it is mostly present in multicellular organism or in eukaryotic cell only. So the function of this nuclear pore is to pass the hereditary information like the RNA or proteins from nucleus to the cytoplasm. And the function of nucleolus is for the manufacturing of the proteins and the different ribosomes. And these are the DNA thread-like structure, or like we have the chromosomes also. And so it carries the genetic information for the cell that is required for heredity, and not only carrying the genetic information, it is also responsible for all those cell division, cell metabolism and growth and development of the cell. Chloroplasts are one of the main cell organelle in plant cell, and this one is green in color, and we see that green color in plant is due to the presence of chloroplast. And chloroplast is a double membrane organelle. It contains outer cell membrane, inner cell membrane, and the space between the outer and inner is called intermembrane space. And it is a semi-autonomous organelle like mitochondria, because it has its own chloroplast DNA that can replicate itself, and it also makes this lipid and ribosome for itself, and this also has starch granule within the system. So the different component of chloroplast are stroma. Stroma are the aqueous colorless fluid that is present inside the inner membrane of the chloroplast, and this individual discs, it is called thylakoid, and the different thylakoid makes a thylakoid system, and the whole stack of the thylakoids are called granum, and this whole stack is called granum, and each granum is connected to each other by this structure, which is called stroma lamellae. This thylakoid membrane or thylakoid system are the main place where light energy is being converted into the chemical energy. So the light energy comes here and it converts the light energy into chemical energy or makes carbohydrate like starch. Vacuoles are the biggest cell organelle in plant cell. It covers more than half of the plant cell, and it is a membrane bound organelle, and it has pigments, it has storage materials like proteins, secondary metabolites and salts, and it has a central vacuole, it has lysosome, it has cell sap, which is the aqueous fluid, and the tonoplast is the outer membrane of the vacuole. Vacuoles are sometimes formed by fusion of multiple vesicles, and it helps to maintain the turgid structure or shape of the cell. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we talked about plant cell and different cell organelles present in the plant cell. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my content and comment. I will see you in next video. Thank you so much.